Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasapta parmakar kabawan haka kedan kebahendriyo haka result HSSLC naga science stream kebapule St Mary's Higher Secondary School kalong baka ngokmen shikat DE baka lepas bah haka nika exam haka bede baka jing pule kot kalong baka jupule kot man kasngi bat kalong ru belada ka syamjing ka Kylli na Nonghikai bat kide ki bayar rabha kalau ai mensia mi ki pat ki Khynnah bakin yai ne ban pule kot bha dak ba penle jingmut bha haba yok mana keren bat ka atina rabha ka badai ka wei naki laingut bawan haka kedan ka bakandai haka top 10 haka commerce stream na ka ni ka juk ka school kalau ong bakala Sngewthuh bakala poi haka ni ka kerdan bat haka bedai bat ka rukam krekot kalau ong baka jupet ye ka jingkli jong ki snam ki baladam bat ka jupule ru shibun ki kot NCERT bat ka le thuru balada kam Sngewthuh ka jukali na ki Nonghikai.
My name is Khynnah and I got 6th position in science stream.
So can you tell us how do you feel after securing the 6th position?
I'm very overwhelmed that I got this position and certainly my hard work paid off when I got this position.
So can you tell us about your preparation and how many hours you study?
I used to study every day consistently. It didn't matter how much hours I studied, but I was always consistent and persistent with my studies.
So in between your studies or your preparation, did you find any difficulties or any sort of?
Yes, I found no difficulties in solving problems, but my teachers were always there to solve my queries and everything. So they helped me a lot to reach here.
So what are you planning to do from here onwards?
I'm planning to do a data science course in the future and pursue my career through it.
So do you have any words of encouragement for the other students?
Yes, I would love to tell them that please study consistently. No matter how many hours you study, it only matters that you are consistent with your studies, and that's all will give you the results. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tell us your name.
My name is Artina Rabha and I'm the 9th position rank holder of the commerce stream.
So how do you feel after securing the position in this
I
examination?
feel satisfied and happy that I made my parents proud and all those surrounding me and also my school.
So can you tell us about your routine or how your preparation for this examination?
Yes, I started solving the previous year question papers and also read a lot of textbooks, the NCERT prescribed textbooks, and also paid more attention to the subject which I was weak at.
So in between your studies or your preparation, did you find any difficulties and how did you overcome all the problems?
Yes, I did find a lot of difficulty in my subjects, and whenever I didn't understood, I asked my teachers and also my tuition teacher as well.
So what are your plans for the future?
My plans, I'm planning to do BCom and I'm planning to take accountancy major as well.